Hello and welcome back to online English class. If you want to know about bank expressions, you can watch this video until the end. Banking expressions. Number 1. Accrual. Accrual. The accumulation of payments and benefits over time. For example, the corporation utilizes the accrual method of accounting with a year ending in December of any given year. The next one. Balance. Balance is a noun. The difference between credits and debits in an account. For example, how can I check my balance in my bank account? Bank charges. Bank charges. Money paid to a bank for the bank's services, etc. For example, all bank charges outside Switzerland are payable by the beneficiary. Branch. Branch is a noun. Local office or bureau of a bank. For example, branch managers have full autonomy in their own areas. The next one is checkbook. Checkbook is a noun. Checkbook, okay, here it means book containing detachable checks. Checkbook in UK. For example, he drew a checkbook and fountain pen from his pocket and wrote. Check is a noun. Written order to a bank to pay the stated sum from one's account. Check in UK. For example, the transfer of money by bank check is very common today. Credit is a noun. Money in a bank, sum added to a bank, money lent by a bank. For example, 50% of new cars were bought on credit. The next one is credit card, a plastic card that you use to buy goods on credit. For example, the credit card allows you to withdraw up to $200 a day from cash dispensers. The next one. Current account is a noun. Bank AC or bank account, which money may be drawn at any time. For example, the capital account is always the mirror image of the current account. The next one is debit. Debit. Debit is a noun. A sum deducted from a bank account as for a check. For example, the account's debits were added and the debits subtracted. Deposit account is a noun. Bank on which interest is paid. Savings account in US. For example, customer, I want to withdraw $800 from my deposit account. The next one is fill in. Fill in is a verb. To add written information to a document to make it complete. To fill out in US. For example, please fill in the form in black letters. Interest. Interest is a noun. Money paid for the use of money lent. Interest rate is a noun. For example, a lot of our income comes from bank interest. Loan. Loan is a noun. Money lent by a bank, etc., and that must be repaid with interest. Also, it can be a verb. For example, the loan enabled him to buy the house. Overdraft. Overdraft is a noun. Deficit in a bank account caused by withdrawing more money than is paid in. For example, he has a huge overdraft to pay off. Pay in. Pay in is a verb to deposit or put money into a bank account. For example, the more you prepay, the less you pay in interest later on. Payee. Payee is a noun, a person to whom money is paid. For example, if payee wants to transfer the check to a third person, he must endorse the check. Standing order. Standing order is an instruction to a bank to make regular payments. For example, do you pay your bills by standing order? The next one is statement. Is a noun, a record of transactions in a bank account. For example, all transactions appear on a monthly bank statement. Withdraw. Withdraw is a verb to take money out of a bank account. Withdrawal is a noun. For example, I'd like to withdraw $1,000 from my deposit account and put it in my current account. Okay, dear friends, this is the end of this video. I hope you learn bank expressions. Goodbye and have a great day. Bye.